your fingers or do something on the ground. If you want to get things, and I'll pull down on your wrist. You are off to the position. You are not going to do safer. Last one, so up to you wait. One up and one down. Put your body in. Moving on. Start moving through. Exhaust the
It's all in the wings. It's no different than an aileron on an airplane. You just do it and you roll it.
finally now. I'm trying to know what you were doing. Where I come to a complete stop. Where I come to a stop, and I come to a straight.